Today I'm going to be tasting Milaf Cola. Milaf Cola is the world's first date-based carbonated soft drink created by Saudi Arabia as a healthier alternative to traditional sodas. It uses premium dates for natural sweetness and health benefits, aligning with the country's Vision 2030 to diversify its economy and promote homegrown brands. This sounds interesting. Cola made out of dates. There's no added sugar, and there's a total of 8 grams of sugar. That smells like a cola. That smells like a Coca-Cola. Wow. That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. I was worried about this one. But that's really good. It's kind of like Coca-Cola, but it has like a little something different in there. It's got a unique flavor along with that taste, and that's pretty good. I like that. That's gonna have to be, wow, that's a 9 out of 10. That's good. Oh yeah, we gotta see what it looks like before I drink it all. It looks like a cola. That's really good. If you're looking for something a little healthier, I definitely recommend that. Have you tried it? Let me know what you think.